Welcome back to Wheeloscopy, your ultimate destination for the latest in motorcycles and automotive marvels. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated next-generation 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters, a bike that promises to redefine power, performance, and style in the cruiser segment. From the moment Yamaha teased this beast, enthusiasts worldwide have been counting down the days for its official unveiling. Now that it's here, let's explore everything that makes the 2026 VMAX a true game-changer. Starting with the heart of the machine, the VMAX now comes with a 1700 cubic centimeters V4 engine, offering a perfect blend of raw power and refined performance. Yamaha has engineered this engine to deliver a massive torque surge at low RPM, making every twist of the throttle feel explosive yet controlled. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the power delivery is smooth, predictable, and utterly exhilarating. The engine is paired with an advanced 6-speed transmission that ensures crisp gear shifts, providing a connected, visceral riding experience. The design of the 2026 VMAX is both aggressive and futuristic. Yamaha has retained the muscular silhouette that made the previous generation iconic but added sharper lines, modern LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic profile. The front end features a bold dual-LED headlight assembly that not only enhances visibility but gives the bike a commanding presence on the road. The fuel tank is sculpted to emphasize strength, while the tail section is sleek, hinting at the performance packed underneath. The bike's color palette offers stunning options, including deep metallic blues, matte blacks, and a striking silver finish with contrasting accents that highlight its engineering beauty. Rider ergonomics have been significantly upgraded. The VMAX now features an adjustable seat height and handlebar positioning, catering to a wide range of riders without compromising comfort or control. Yamaha has also incorporated a new digital instrument cluster, combining classic analog cues with a modern full-color LCD display. This display provides crucial information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, gear indicator, and even connectivity options for smartphones via Bluetooth, allowing for navigation and call management on the go. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The 2026 VMAX comes with a refined chassis and upgraded suspension system. The bike uses a lightweight yet rigid frame that improves handling while maintaining stability at high speeds. Front and rear suspension components are fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup based on their style or road conditions. Braking is also top-notch, with dual front discs and a single rear disc equipped with Yamaha's latest ABS technology, ensuring confidence-inspiring stopping power even in adverse conditions. One of the standout features of the new VMAX is its advanced electronics suite. Yamaha has included multiple ride modes, traction control, and launch control, giving riders the ability to customize the riding experience to their preference. These systems work seamlessly to enhance safety while retaining the thrill that VMAX enthusiasts crave. In conclusion, the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters is a perfect combination of brutal power, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology. It honors the legacy of the VMAX lineage while introducing features and refinements that place it firmly in the modern era. For riders seeking a bike that delivers heart-pounding performance without sacrificing style or comfort, this is the ultimate cruiser. With its aggressive design, massive torque, and state-of-the-art electronics, the VMAX isn't just a bike. It's a statement on two wheels. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Yamaha VMAX, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Wheeloscopy. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this beast for a ride on the open road? Stay tuned for more reviews, comparisons, and first looks at the most exciting motorcycles of 2026 and beyond.